Hello. How is time measured in history? Each society and culture has had its own ways of measuring time. Major events such as the birth of an important person or the start of a ruler's reign have often marked the beginning of a new era. At present, the Gregorian calendar is commonly used worldwide side by side. Hindu, Muslim, Jewish, Chinese, and other calendars are also used for calculating the dates of festivals and other auspicious events. In the West, the conventional year for Jesus Christ's birth has generally been taken to be the starting point for this calendar. Years are counted forward from this point and used to be marked with AD, an abbreviation for a Latin phrase that refers to the years after Jesus' birth. However, this is now called the Common Era or CE across the world. For example, 1947, the year India gained independence, can be written as 1947 AD, sometimes AD 1947 or 1947 CE. Similarly, the years before the conventional date for the birth of Jesus are counted backward and used to be marked with BC or before Christ. They are now called before Common Era or BCE. For example, 560 BC is an approximate year of birth of Gautam Buddha. Gregorian calendar, left side. The calendar now used the world over. It has 12 months, adding up to 365 days and a leap year every 4 years. However, century years, for example, 1800, 1900, 2000, are leap years only if they are multiples of 400. So, in the three centenary years above, only 2000 is a leap year. Auspicious, favorable or bringing luck, for instance, an auspicious beginning. Thank you. Taken from KV book, class 6th. Thank you.